Hi everyone, Kyle Bates here again. Just doing a quick walk around for the team auctions sale that's happening on June 20th to 23rd. So this is the Van Norman 561 service grinder that will be selling on June 20th to June 23rd. So June 23rd, the bidding closes. I've got some video here as well. I'll tag into this to show the unit working. So this was an old friend of mine's and he is getting there in age and it's time to sell. So he's selling off everything in the machine shop here. Just thought I'd do a quick walk around on the items here. Stuff selling out of Calgary, Alberta on June 23rd, teamauctions.com. Okay. So then the cylinder head gets mounted, it gets those pins holding in place?
Yeah. But you gotta...
Okay.
Can you just show the schedule on that?
Yeah.
Just head?
No, I do blocks. It's little. You know, that's something that you can practice on heads for a while. When you get to really do heads, you take blocks and set them upside down on here.
Okay.
Use the horse and go